Good morning guys. For today's video, mayroon tayong pork stick. Yan yung ating pork stick guys. Yan guys, yung ating pork stick. Yan. Ito na yung ating pork stick guys. Guys, yung pangalawang luto natin. Pinagkusan na. Tapos nakamutin. Ayan. Naluto na rin guys. Ito yung ating